Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mixer right here, and basically what this is a portable induction cooktop. If you see the one that we got right here is from a brand called Rosewill. And for the one that we got here, it basically includes the induction cooktop, and they also probably got the pot as well. If you guys only wanted the induction cooktop and not the pan, they do have that available as well. But for me, I wanted to get the whole set so that way she has something to use for like hot pot or whatever. If you can see on the side right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So it definitely has like a large heating zone. It definitely has a touch control. It has a digital LED display. It has 8 different power levels on here. It has 8 different temperature settings as well. It has a 3-hour timer. It also has a lock option on here, so that way kids cannot touch it or something. And they also mention how the product is energy efficient. If you guys in the back part right here, they show you guys some more information about the product as well. But basically for this part right here, it only works on certain cooktops, iron blast pans, iron board pans, and basically any pot or pan that actually has like the magnetic stainless steel material in the bottom. Or you can definitely use a pot that's actually included for you guys in this set right here. But first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So you definitely see the induction cooktop inside, and they also probably got the pan as well. So I'm going to take everything out to show you guys what actually looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys take out the pan right here, you can definitely see how the pot is all nicely wrapped up. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the pot looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take out the lid, this is what actually looks like right here. So when you guys feel the material on here, you can definitely feel that real glass. And top right here, we do have a handle option, so you can use it to carry around really easily. And then this is basically what the inside of the pot looks like. And this is the outside of the pot. And obviously, if you're first time using the product, you do want to hand wash everything first before you guys use it. But when you guys put the lid together, this is basically what the pot or the pan looks like. So you definitely see the pot on here is actually pretty big. So you definitely have a pretty good coverage when you guys use it. So that is basically the pan that's included for you guys if you guys do get the set. And next thing that we got right here is actual induction cooktop. So I'm actually take off all the wrapper and the protection layer first. Alright, so first the inside right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here we do have induction cooktop. Eventually, it definitely has a pretty good coverage in terms of where you guys can put the pan on here. If you see in the bottom right here, there's a bunch of buttons. So we definitely have a lock button, a timer button, a minus and plus button, a LED display option, a mode button, and an on and off button. And basically for the mode button right here, you can definitely turn on the power option or the temperature option on here. I believe the material that they have on here is glass. So if you spill stuff on top right here, it's actually really easy to actually clean it. All you need to do is get like a towel to actually wipe it down. If you guys turn in the back part right here, this is basically actually looks like in the back. So you see right here, we do have the ventilation fan. And as throughout the product on the corner right here, we do have like a non-stick material. So once you guys put it down on the table, it won't keep moving around. And definitely throughout the actual product right here on the side, they do have the ventilation as well. So that way the product won't overheat when you guys use it. And right here, we can see we do have the cable you can plug in to actually activate it. And definitely one thing to remember is that after you guys use the product, once you guys turn off the product or unplug the cable, you don't want to touch this part right here because it's going to be really hot. So you definitely want it to cool down before you guys put it away. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just go test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so I have everything all set right here. Let me actually turn it on to show you guys how it works. So once you guys press it right there, you're going to press the mode. And that basically activates powers on here. If you guys press it again, that changes the temperature. So basically 450 is the max. And the lowest is 150. If you guys change the power, that is the maximum right here. If you guys lower it, that is the lowest right here. If you guys want to lock it, that basically locks it. So that way you guys cannot change anything on here. And then basically the way how you guys unlock it is by pushing on this button right here. And that turns it off. If you guys want to turn on the timer option, you can definitely change all that on here as well. So I'm going to let this boil first to see how long it takes to boil. We'll turn it on max. So it's only been like a few minutes. You can definitely see it starting to boil already. So it's been around like 3 or 4 minutes. You can definitely see the product starting to boil like crazy. So it definitely heats up really fast when you guys actually use the product. So whether you're going to cook stuff in here or do hot pot or do something else or even just boil water in general, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And obviously if you guys want to use the lid option, you can definitely use it as well. So just like that. And basically it has a little hole option right here, so that way the steam can come out really easily. And once you guys are done using it, you can definitely turn it off right here. And then once you guys do that, it will actually cool down before it actually shuts down completely. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now so quick test about definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So definitely one of the coolest thing about using induction cooktop compared to like gas stovetop is the fact that it actually heats up really fast. And it's actually really easy for you guys to clean as well. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually working or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable induction cooktop where you can use at home, in the office, or when you guys are traveling outdoor. So that way you can cook stuff wherever you guys want to, not only just at home. Then we definitely have to say that this is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.